Hi everyone. Parenting is a marathon, not a sprint, and teaching independence is one of those long-term wins. Let's break it down. For toddlers, start with teamwork. You pull one sock, they try the other. Messy? Absolutely. But those tiny victories build confidence. Preschoolers, let them lead safe tasks. Can you put the books on the shelf? Or sort the laundry by color? And here's the magic phrase: show me how you do it. It hands them control. Older kids? Assign real jobs, setting the table, packing their lunchbox, even if the sandwich ends up creative. Mistakes are their best teachers. Resist fixing everything. Motivation hack: track progress visually. A sticker for trying, not perfection. After 3 stickers, maybe a picnic lunch they plan. And don't forget praise. Be specific. I saw how hard you buttoned that shirt. Beats a generic good job. Parents, I get it. Sometimes it's faster to do it yourself. But every time they try, they're building resilience. So take a breath, grab a coffee, and let them surprise you.